This is Garet Olson, log entry 350-60225. Okay, Lauren, I know I've been behind recently, but you're going to want to hear this. Right? So I decided to check out section 8 again, on the off chance one of the other guys missed something. I mean, space is incredibly big after all. And well, I managed to detect an unclassified signature in the sector. So I went to check it out, and holy shit, I have just found the biggest freighter I've ever seen. No joke. It looks nearly 5 miles long. I think it's one of those ancient cryo haulers. You remember those? Where they'd stick everyone in cryo sleep for interstellar travel? Well, anyway, I'm orbiting around it now. I'm going to try and find an airlock to check it out and see how much damage she's got. Though, to be honest, I can't see much in the hull out here. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Got it out. I was right. This is a cryo hauler. I mean, I'm currently standing in one of the main cryo chambers, and there must be at least 1,000 pods in this one alone. And there's more chambers beyond this one. I mean, just imagine what all these people were thinking. How excited or scared they were to be traveling to a new planet. I didn't even realize these pods would be their coffins. Poor sods. Nothing left of them but dust. Looks like the life support must have failed during flight. Which is strange, because there's still a breathable atmosphere on the ship. And there's no contamination that I can detect. Okay, let's try something. Well, I can breathe. I don't feel like my lungs are melting from the inside, so I think we'll call this a win. Anyway, I think judging from the size and scope of the ship, it's going to need a lot of manpower to break her down. Though, in saying that, the integrity seems to be holding up. I mean, listen to this. It still sounds incredibly strong. Oh. Hello? Probably just an echo. I mean, the ship is huge after all. I'm gonna go check out the bridge. I'm on the bridge right now, and I was expecting the place to be bits, but the entire place being completely inoperable, but there's nothing. Apart from being a bit dusty, this ship could easily fly again. Which begs the question as to what caused this ship to drift in the first place. I'm going to try and access the security surveillance system, see if that can shed some light on things. Here we go. I've got something from just before the system went down. Now then. Oh God. If anyone listens to this, don't come here. If you find this ship, destroy it. Fucking blast it from existence. And hopefully that will kill this thing.